Marqos chapter 16. And when the Sabbath was past, Miriam from Magdala, and Miriam the mother of Yaakov, and Shalom brought spices to go and anoint him. And very early on day 1 of the week they came to the tomb when the sun had risen. And they said among themselves, Who shall roll away the stone from the entrance of the tomb for us? And looking up, they saw that the stone had been rolled away, for it was extremely large. And having entered into the tomb, they saw a young man sitting on the right, wearing a white robe, and they were greatly astonished. And he said to them, Do not be much astonished. You seek Yeshua of Nazareth, who was impaled. He was raised, he is not here. See, the place where they laid him. And go, say to his taught ones and Kepha, that he is going before you into Galilee. You shall see him there as he said to you. And they went out and fled from the tomb, and were trembling and bewildered. And they spoke to no one, for they were afraid. And having risen early on the first day of the week, he appeared first to Miriam from Magdala, from whom he had cast out 7 demons. She went and reported to those who had been with him, mourning and weeping. And when they heard that he was alive, and had been seen by her, they did not believe. And after this he appeared in another form to 2 of them as they walked and went into a field. And they went and reported it to the rest, but they did not believe them either. Later he appeared to the 11 as they sat at the table, and he reproached their unbelief and hardness of heart, because they did not believe those who had seen him after he was raised. And he said to them, Go into all the world and proclaim the good news to every creature. He who has believed and has been immersed shall be saved, but he who has not believed shall be condemned. And these signs shall accompany the ones who believe. In my name they shall cast out demons. They shall speak with renewed tongues. They shall take up snakes, and if they drink any deadly drink, it shall by no means hurt them. They shall lay hands on the sick, and they shall get well. Then indeed, after the Master had spoken to them, he was received up into the heaven, and sat down at the right hand of Elohim. And they went out and proclaimed it everywhere, while the Master worked with them, and confirmed the word through the accompanying signs. Amen.